I think what I mentioned to you a while ago in terms of art and spirituality is really you touch base with your aesthetic moment. Okay? The aesthetic moment is not just an encounter with beautiful, it's really an experience of who you are in terms of the universe. From those moments when you feel so small, but you don't have self-pity, but it put things in perspective that you are one with nature, you are part of this universe, no? And this creation. And that fundamental experience of beauty, or however you call it, Dhamma, is an important foundation for you to pursue art. Okay? And you want to share it